Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G200, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this smartphone. Start by opening settings. Now you need to choose sound and vibration over here and tap on vibrate vocals. Then select one of those options for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with vibrate first, then ring gradually, so I have to click on it and go back. Now scroll down, choose advanced, scroll down again and choose shortcut to prevent ringing. Over here you can select vibrate by clicking on it and go ring back. Then click on the switchers next to charging sounds and vibrations, touch vibrations, and also outgoing call vibrations to enable or disable vibrations for all of those features. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!